Okay, today we are looking at the Erin Condren wedding planner. I just love this thing. So it has a really pretty cover that I kind of sort of designed. She has this, these are the LOV letters that you see in New York over on 51st and 6th. But what's most important about this is that you can pick your color combinations that you want here. So I could have had green and blue or orange and yellow. I don't know how pretty those colors would have been, but you can pick anything you want. Plus it has a ton of different covers that it comes with. And if you like this Erin Condren style with the big spiral and the way she has her pages laid out, then you are definitely going to love this wedding planner. So let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. Now, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Erin Condren wedding planner. This was $55. It comes in a ton of different colors. You can also, which is probably the most popular, you can have a custom color cover with just a picture of you and your soon-to-be groom. Now, inside of here, we have undated months and we have a lot of reminders. I would say though, in terms of content, it's pretty low on, telling you exactly how to plan out your wedding. Not a big deal, but it has more blank pages than anything. So let's just go ahead and look inside. So this wedding planner came in tons of different covers, just like all of her regular life planners. This was interesting. It came with a, I guess, ruler, a 9-inch ruler in case you, I guess, need that to measure things. You were able to pick the colors on this cover. So I just picked a dark and a light purple. I just thought that looked pretty. And it's something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, a gift from us. And then you get 25% off with this code the next time you use it. If you're watching this video, you're happy to use this code. All right, so you have a cute little vellum piece of overlay right here with some, I guess, rose gold, and silver gold foiling over here. And this is our life and the wedding date and a little sort of cute phrase. And now, so this is a little different. So you have all these tabs and they're unmarked, they're just blank. And so that's because these dates, these months are undated. And because obviously you just don't know. It's kind of weird to see a dated wedding planner. So this way you can put your own months in. This assumes, let's see, how many dates? I think it has 12 months in here. Like it might take you 12 months to plan a wedding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I do math? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was going to do math in my head, but that's not going to work. 9, 10, and 11. So you get 11 months. Is that right? Yeah, that's 11 months to plan the wedding. So not 12, you get 11. And then we have a new tab that says the I do list. And inside of here, we have top 10 wedding tips, getting started with your colors, styles, and themes, what to do 14 to 9 months out, which is funny because this thing only goes for 11 months. Here's 8 to 6. Here's 6 to 4, 4 to 2, 1 month before, week of the wedding, and then your wedding party, vows, guest list, your budget checklist. Picture this, the music list, flowers, cakes, cheers, wedding menu, vendor contact list, and seating arrangement. Get a few pages for that. Gift bag, gifts to give, stress-free spouse to be, honeymoon information, thank you notes, memories. So I guess you can just kind of paste in stuff there, although everything's digital nowadays. And then you get some blank pages. So you get some line pages, and then you get some dot grid pages. And this is nice. So usually she has her super massively large icon logo here, but instead she put pretty little specks like you saw in the very beginning in that vellum overlay. So we just get more and more blank pages. We get stickers, and we get some more stickers. So these are wedding specific. These are just blank label stickers. We get a file folder here on the back, has 2 pockets. And then we get the back, which matches the front over here. So very cute. Almost forgot, I did get their wedding sticker set. So let's open this up. It has 3 sticker sheets inside of here. And they all have this really pretty gold foil, rose gold foil, and silver foil all on it. So these are different than the ones that were actually in the wedding book. And this page. So very nice. So what did you think? I forgot to mention the stickers were $7.50, and those are totally separate than the other stickers that you get in the wedding checklist that she does, which is a smaller, more portable, easy to carry around little pamphlet. And this is more of like a robust, I can lay it open and take a lot of notes. So I loved it. I think it's great for a minimalist bride or for someone who is a wedding planner, like you actually plan out events and you would like to give it to your client to like as a bonus, and that it has plenty of space for them to take notes. And plus you can help impress your clients because it leaves out so many details. You can say, this is really great as a starter, but you obviously hired me because I'm the wedding planner expert, and you can add in all of the things that they should think about outside of that. All right, so if you would love to create your own wedding planner, then make sure to download the Wedding Planner Creator Kit. And remember, that's a creator kit for people who want to make wedding planners, not plan a wedding. So if you're a bride-to-be, these are not the droids you're looking for. This is just for plannerpreneurs, creative entrepreneurs who want to create a planner for people who are about to get married. So hope I made that clear. All right. I will leave a link to the Wedding Planner Creator Kit below. And don't forget, next Monday, March 30th, I am actually just going to give you a wedding planner template you can sell as your own. You can customize. It has everything you need because it is a Kickstarter. That means it comes with all the social media posts. It comes with Etsy banners. It comes with SEO, keywords, everything that you need to get up and going with your wedding planner to get it into the hands of people who want to buy it. All right, look forward to seeing you next Monday, March 30th. And if you're watching this afterwards, make sure to go check that out in case that's something that you would like to have. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll see you guys later.